In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Squarespace or simply looking to make a few updates, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. So let's get started with giving your website the fresh look it deserves. The first thing you'll want to do is visit the official Squarespace website. Open your preferred web browser and type in squarespace.com. Once you've arrived on the home page, sign in to your account with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. However, for today's tutorial, we're assuming you already have a website set up and ready for editing. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Squarespace dashboard. Here, you will see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Locate the specific website you wish to edit. This could be your personal blog, an online portfolio, or even an e-commerce site. Once you've identified the site, click on it to open its settings page. Now, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page, where you'll see an Edit button. Click on this button to initiate editing mode. This will allow you to interact with various elements of your website directly, such as text, images, and layout, giving you a live preview as you make changes. As you enter editing mode, feel free to explore the different components you can modify. Want to update your site's text content? Simply click on the text box you'd like to edit and start typing. Need to swap out an image? Click on the image block, select the Replace option, and upload a new picture. You can also adjust the overall layout by dragging and dropping various blocks to different positions. Squarespace provides a user-friendly interface that makes these adjustments intuitive and straightforward. Once you've made all your desired edits, it is crucial to ensure that these changes are saved and made visible to your audience. To do this, simply click the Save button, usually located somewhere around the bottom right of the editing screen. This will publish all the adjustments you've made, allowing your updates to go live on the internet for all to see. And there you have it. You've just edited your Squarespace website in mere minutes, and everything is now live. Remember, updating your website regularly helps keep your content fresh and your visitors engaged, so feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to make tweaks or updates. I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to explore additional Squarespace resources or leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.